wrong with it?
What's wrong with it? It's dead. That's what's wrong with it.
No, he's not dead. He's resting.
Resting?
Yeah, remarkable bird in his squad. Lovely plumage.
Resting, eh? It's all right, then. If he's resting, I'll wake him up. Hello, Polly Parrot! I got a nice goldfish for you if you wake up!
Very good.
No, he didn't. You just hit the cage.
No, never.
Yes, you did!
Never, no.
Hello, Mr. Polly Parrot! It's a 9 o'clock alarm call! Wakey, wakey! That's what I call a dead parrot.
No, stunned. Stunned? Yeah, you stunned him just as he was waking up. Norwegian blues stun easily, Major.
Look, mate, I've definitely had enough of this. This parrot is definitely deceased. And when I purchased it not half an hour ago, you assured me that its total lack of movement was due to it being tired and shagged out following a prolonged squawk.
Well, he's probably pining for the fjords.
Pining for the fjords? What kind of talk is that? Look, why did he fall flat on his back the moment I got him held?
Norwegian blues prefer keeping on its back. Remarkable bird in his squad. Lovely plumage.
I took the liberty of examining that parrot when I ordered him, and I discovered that the only reason he was standing on his perch in the first place was that he had been nailed down.
Well, of course I nailed that bird down. If I'd nailed it to the perch, it would have nuzzled up to those bars, bent him apart with its beak, and boom!
Mate, this bird wouldn't boom if you put 4,000 gigawatts through it. It's bleeding to mine.
No, he's pining.
He's not pining, he's passed on. This parrot is no more. It has ceased to be. It's expired and gone to meet its maker. This is a late parrot. It's a stiff, bereft of life and rest in peace. If you had nailed to the perch, you'd be pushing up the daisies. He's kicked a bucket. He's shoveled off his moral coil, right out the cotton, and joined the choir, freaking invisible. This is an ex-parrot.
Well, I'd better replace it then.
The only thing done in this country are the complaints you blew in the mouth.
Oh, Squire, I looked round the back of the shop and fresh out parrots.
See? Picture.
I've got a slug.
Great as a talk.
Not really, no.
Then it's hardly a bloody replacement, then, is it?
No, I never wanted to do this job. Never wanted to be a pet shop owner. I always wanted to be a lumberjack. The living blue tree of Western Nigeria, the quack